Hey there, and welcome back. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of phrasal verbs. If you've ever felt a bit lost when someone says give up or look after, you're not alone. Phrasal verbs can be tricky, but they're also a vital part of everyday English. Let's break it down together. Phrasal verbs are combinations of verbs and prepositions or adverbs that create a new meaning. For example, when you turn down an invitation, it doesn't mean you're literally turning the invitation down. It means you're politely declining it. Isn't that interesting? Understanding these phrases can really enhance your communication skills. They add color and nuance to your conversations, making them feel more natural and relatable. Plus, they're everywhere in casual speech and writing, so getting a handle on them can boost your confidence in using English. Let's explore a few more examples. When you bring up a topic, you're introducing it into the conversation. If you run into someone, you unexpectedly meet them. And when you take off, it can mean that a plane is leaving the ground or that you're leaving a place quickly. Each of these phrases carries its own unique flavor, and mastering them can make your language skills shine. So, how can you practice? Start by listening to native speakers in movies, podcasts, or even casual conversations. Jot down the phrasal verbs you hear and try to use them in your own sentences. The more you practice, the more comfortable you'll become,